There's no need to buy pricey gourmet mushrooms at the market when you can grow them at home with an easy DIY kit. Here's what you'll need. To get started, open the box along the perforated panel. Then, cut the bag open along the X. Scratch the substrate block with a fork to stimulate growth. Now, remove it from the box and soak it in water overnight. After soaking, dry the block off and insert it back into the box. Place the box on its back, near a window with indirect light. Once tiny mushrooms begin to emerge, flip the box into the upright position. During the first 6 days, sprinkle the block with 2 to 3 teaspoons of water daily. In about a week, you'll start to see the mushrooms double in size each day until harvest. After 10 days, when the mushrooms are around 2 inches in diameter with slightly rounded tops, they're ready to harvest. Just pull or cut them away from the substrate. Finally, refrigerate the mushrooms until you're ready to cook them. Good luck, and thanks for shopping at the Home Depot.